Are you struggling to differentiate your estate agency amongst all the other agents that are out there? If so, this Whiteboard Wednesday is for you. Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave, and I want to talk to you about differentiation. Start on this side. We have something we call the AJ difference, and it's 5 points of differentiation, so we can prove to our prospective vendors and clients what actually makes us different, because it's all right to say you're different, but what's the proof? And we did sit in front of a prospective vendor one day, and she said, I get that you say you're different, but can you show me you're different? And we did, luckily, and we got the instruction. So these are our 5 points of difference: sale board, copy, brochure, photography, and styling. What do they all mean? The board is how we're different in a board. We have a sale board that is a bespoke sale board for only that home. So on the board is a photograph of the house. It's usually something that you can't see from the road or from the end of the driveway. So it might be a drone image, it might be a twilight image. It's definitely something different. In fact, if it's a Christmas time, we might put a Christmas board together. So it makes it really different and really stand out and very eye-catching. So minimal branding for us, maximum branding for them and their home. People absolutely love our boards. Even those people who don't want a board, they want one of our boards. Let's do styling next, because styling goes before photography. So another point of differentiation is when we send the photographer around to photograph the house, the photographer never ever comes on their own. We always go with them. And we normally send 2 stylists from the office with a whole heap of styling props and little things that make the house look beautiful. Like, might pop into the supermarket and get a fruit cake or a Victoria sandwich cake, scones, strawberries, coffee, croissants, whatever is going to make it look a little bit more lived in, a little bit more of a welcome kind of approach to the photography. It makes it look more lifestyle as well. So that's what the styling is. 2 stylists from our agency go out to make sure that they're with the photographer. Our photography is really, really different. We have a lifestyle photographer. We also have a drone photographer. You might have those too, but I think ours go an extra level, really. Our lifestyle photographer also does twilight photography. So that means that when you see the beautiful image of the home on Rightmove and it's all like beautifully warm and welcoming, you're more likely to click on it. We know that our properties get about 35% more clicks than a non-twilight photography house. So it really makes a difference, and it really stands out in the sort of Rightmove newsfeed, and then people notice us. So that's our lifestyle photography. Our drone photographer also does twilight photography. So we've got the sort of upper level twilight photography, the lower level twilight photography, and then we've got the internal. We also have local photography as well. So our photographer will go out and about and get some really lovely local shots, and they all add to that point of difference for us, for our photography. Then I'll do the copy next, because that then goes into the brochure. But the copy, we have a professional copywriter who writes the copy. How does she do it? Well, she actually calls the vendor and interviews them, so that the vendor gives them all the material that she needs to then put into the copy, which then goes into the brochure. So the vendor feels like they've written the brochure. Like, the brochure encapsulates all the fantastic things about their home, all those lifestyle elements that are so difficult for you as the agent to get when you maybe want to just describe how many plug sockets and radiators are in a room. I'm sure you don't do that anymore. And that all then goes into making our beautiful brochure just past the brochure till. Next to Tilly, we'll see this gorgeous brochure here. Got a bit of a different one here with an illustration on the front. But you see, we really go all out in our beautiful bespoke brochures like this. Aren't they gorgeous? Really lovely. I won't show them that one as well. It's okay. So we've got enough there to make us different. We've got 5 points of difference. And if anybody was in any doubt at all that AshdownJones are different, they can see straight away that we put our money where our mouth is, and we make sure that not only we are different, but their home will also look different against the competition as well. And that's why people choose us, and that's why they pay us the biggest fee in the area by quite some margin, which is 1.5%. Now, if that isn't big for your area, that's great. Hopefully you're charging 2.5%. But if you are the same or not, even below what your local competitors are charging, think again. Think about putting points of difference in instead of reducing your fee. Be worth it. If you want to know more about how Firewave can make you bigger, better, grow faster, be more profitable, do amazing things this year, go to www.firewave, which is fire-wave, put the hyphen in, fire-wave.co.uk/start, START, and find out if your area is available and if it's worth a little chat with us. Speak to you soon.